In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Extensity to Chrome. Extensity is a simple extension manager that helps you keep your browser tidy and fast by letting you turn other extensions on and off with a click. If you've ever felt Chrome getting sluggish because too many tools are running at once, Extensity makes it painless to enable what you need and disable what you don't without uninstalling anything. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Once you're in Chrome, head to the official Chrome Web Store page for Extensity. This is the trusted place to install it safely. When you're on the Extensity page, look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click it. Chrome will immediately show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. This is where Chrome lists what the extension can access, so take a quick moment to review it. When you're ready, click Add Extension to confirm. The installation only takes a moment. As soon as it's done, you'll get a brief confirmation and Extensity's icon will be added near your address bar. Sometimes Chrome tucks new extensions into the extensions menu, which looks like a small puzzle icon at the top right. After installing, click that puzzle icon to open your list of extensions. Find Extensity in the list and pin it so it's always visible. You can do this by clicking the little pin icon next to its name. Pinning keeps Extensity one click away, which is exactly what you want from an extension manager. Now, use Extensity to quickly enable or disable your other extensions. Just click the Extensity icon to open it, and you'll see your installed extensions listed. Toggling them off when you don't need them can speed up Chrome, reduce clutter, and minimize background activity. Then, when you need a tool again, turn it back on with a single click. It's a great way to keep your setup lean for focus sessions and then bring everything back when you're done. A quick tip before we wrap up: only install extensions you trust. Extensions can request access to your browsing data so they can function properly, and that means you should always be comfortable with what you're granting. Take a moment to look at the publisher, the permissions, and the overall ratings before you add anything new. And that's it. You've added Extensity to Chrome, pinned it for easy access, and you're ready to manage your other extensions more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster browsing experience.